Good morning, futures traders. This is David on July 11th, 2022. I've already gotten going on 856. I've already got going on this one on the NQ. I'm hitting over here on the ES. We've kind of come to a stalled point.
Order submitted.
Here we go.
Order filled.
Here we go. Buyers, where are you? Here you go.
Order canceled.
Oh yeah, we're in there.
Order canceled.
See how run we could do.
Order filled.
Okay, let's take a look at it after we see. I'm going to take profit. Let's see if it keeps going up. I got out of the.
Order canceled.
Okay, let's see what we got. $6,000. I can live with that for a few minutes of work. Well, the bot did the work. So let's see what this one. Real time. Okay, we made 3,587 minus 244. So roughly 3,200. 100,000 for the month if you do that every day. And the ES is 122 and 3,000, so 2,800. Well, 29, 28, and 91,000 for the month if you do that every month. Looks like it's rebounding, kind of going into a range. But I'm happy with that for the day. So, all right. Thank you for watching. I will keep the videos coming. Thank you.